fact, no machine stays brand new forever. Over time, the need for condition monitoring increases. Proactive maintenance becomes even more important, and the risk of downtime, it becomes ever present in the back of your mind. Renewing your CAT Customer Value Agreement keeps everything in motion. Planned maintenance stays on schedule. Genuine CAT parts are there when you need them. Dealer support continues without interruption. And your machine stays protected as it works and ages. If you don't renew your CVA, you risk losing momentum. No services commitment, no consistent monitoring or inspections, no protection against the wear that comes with every hour of operation. And that's where the problems start to catch up. Renewing your CVA is simple. Before your agreement expires, your dealer reaches out. You review how your machine is being used. Make any adjustments to your CVA if needed. And your coverage continues forward. No gaps, no reset, no disruption. Renewing your CVA is also valuable. The value of your CVA actually increases over time. You continue to avoid costly downtime and unexpected repairs, especially as your machine ages. You preserve your equipment's long-term value with consistent service records. And on CVAs with dealer labor, you'll stay on track for qualifications like CAT Certified Maintained. Renewing your CVA helps your equipment hold its value over time and keeps your machines performing at the level your operation depends on. Talk to your CAT dealer about renewing your CVA today.